Hi guys, it's TJ, and in today's video I'm delving into the illuminating world of LED light therapy, specifically the Maysama Pulse 40 LED panel. I'm going to look at the power of LED light therapy, the benefit it provides for anti-aging skincare, and how to use it to maximize results. Before we get started with this video, if you could take just 2 seconds to check whether you're subscribed to my channel, and if you're not, be sure to click on subscribe. Subscribing is the absolute best way that you can support the work that I do here. Of course, if you don't want to, you don't have to, but I truly appreciate every single one of you who do follow me. So why not hit subscribe and join me on this journey to unlocking the best skin possible. Okay, cringe subscriber beg out of the way, back to the video. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the technical specs of this next level LED light panel, which offers the same power and performance of many multiple $1,000 devices, but at a fraction of the cost. The Maysama Pulse 40 LED panel uses unique pulse light technology to aid in the absorption of skincare products, making it the perfect addition to your daily routine. With 630nm red and 850nm near-infrared wavelengths, it's perfectly optimized to provide data-backed results that are visible within just a few weeks. The Pulse 40 is also equipped with a smart touchpad that allows you to take full control of the wavelength, the timer, pulse light and brightness intensity. Plus, with a flexible treatment program timer offering options for 1, 3, 6 and 10 minutes, you can customize your skincare experience according to your very own schedule and individual skincare needs. And let's not forget about the ambient mode, which is designed to optimize sleep quality while rejuvenating your skin. Pulsed LED light therapy works within the skin by utilizing light-emitting diodes to penetrate the skin's layers and stimulate cellular processes. When pulsed LED light is applied to the skin, it's absorbed by chromophores, such as mitochondria or specific molecules within the cells. These chromophores then convert the light energy into cellular energy, which can help improve various skin concerns. It can impact cellular processes such as increasing the production of ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy currency of the cells. This increase in ATP can then stimulate various cellular functions, including promoting collagen synthesis and accelerating the skin's natural healing processes. Additionally, pulsed LED light therapy has been shown to have an anti-inflammatory effect. Combine this with continuous red light and you have a multifaceted way to keep your skin soft, supple and looking its best without the need for laser resurfacing, chemical peels or other harsh treatments. Red light of 630nm helps stimulate collagen production, reduces inflammation and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Meanwhile, near-infrared light of 850nm penetrates deeper into the skin, promoting healing, reducing redness and improving overall skin health. This makes the Pulse 40 LED light therapy panel an excellent choice for treating skin conditions such as acne, rosacea, age spots, dark circles and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Other indications include improving skin texture, reducing sun damage, improving overall skin health, enhancing skincare product absorption and optimizing sleep quality, delivering an all-around anti-aging option that works from a variety of angles. Okay, first things first. If you really want to boost the benefits of LED light therapy, be sure to apply a generous layer of Maysama Green Rooibos Pressed Serum, which you'll want to apply a few minutes before getting started. By doing this, you can increase outcomes and results by up to 260% compared to standalone LED light therapy on its own. Now, it's recommended that you sit approximately 6 inches, which is 15 centimeters from your LED device for the best irradiance and coverage for skincare, which will give you 85 milliwatts per centimeter square. Now, if you don't have a tape measure to hand and you're not quite sure what that distance is, that's about the length of a standard modern cell phone, a paperback novel, a CD case, yep, I'm showing my age here. Sitting at 12 inches from the panel will provide more area coverage, but it'll also reduce the irradiance to 65 milliwatts per centimeter square. So basically you'll cover a larger surface area, but the power and intensity will be at a lower level. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you some of my top tips that I use to help you adapt to pulse light like a pro. You're going to want to put on your goggles that come in the box, And these will help reduce any distractions and keep you focused. Now, don't worry, forgetting to put them on isn't going to cause any major issues. But the flashing of the pulse light will make it hard for you to relax and enjoy your session. It's also perfectly normal to feel a little bit weird when you're first using the pulse light. And even with your eyes closed, because of the infrared light, you're still going to have a lot of light coming through your eyelids. You'll also want to keep the room well lit to make the difference between the pulsing light from the panel and the room light less noticeable. So to get used to using this device, the first thing you want to do is start week 1 with a 6-minute continuous wave session and 0 pulsed light minutes. You're going to do this for 5 to 6 sessions throughout the week. In week 2, you can perform a 6-minute continuous wave session and use pulse light for 1 minute for 5 to 6 sessions. By week 3, you can perform a 3-minute continuous wave session followed by a pulse light for 3 minutes. Again, you're going to do this for 5 to 6 sessions. And then by week 4, you can perform a 1-minute continuous wave session with 6 minutes of pulse light 5 to 6 times a week, which you'll continue from here on in. Now feel free to increase the duration of either light setting as you see fit, but keep it to a maximum of 11 minutes for the entire treatment on any given day. During the session, you're going to want to turn your head slightly to the side, roughly around about 20 to 30 degrees, so that the light isn't shining directly into your eyes. Then halfway through the treatment, you're going to want to turn your face to the opposite side, making sure you're covering all of your face at once. Okay, so set up your panel on a steady surface and then switch on your Pulse 40 LED panel. From here, you can choose your light combo, red plus near infrared, red only or near infrared only. Set your preferred continuous wave treatment time of 10, 6, 3 or 1 minute. 1 minute of continuous treatment time is set. And then once this is done, I'm going to give myself a 6-minute pulse light treatment where you have a choice between 10 Hz, 20 Hz or 30 Hz. I like to go in the middle of this at 20 Hz, which is going to give a really fast flash. So I'm just going to pull these down and just enjoy the minute. Okay, so now that minute is up, I'm going to select the light level. I'm going to keep this as a combination treatment. I am choosing 6 minutes. And then I'm going to select the middle selection, which is 20 for the pulse light. And it's really as quick and easy as that. For best results, LED light therapy should be used 5 to 6 times a week, giving yourself a day or 2 off in between treatments. Many people worry that red light therapy will cause hyperpigmentation issues. Now, while there have been some anecdotal reports of red light therapy worsening hyperpigmentation, there's no scientific evidence out there to support these claims. Now, it's also important to note that hyperpigmentation can have various causes, including sun exposure, hormones, and use of certain medications. And to be fair, these are likely the main culprits for any anecdotal reports. And while red light therapy may not be 100% effective in treating all types of hyperpigmentation, it shouldn't contribute to the worsening of it. And if anything, it's going to have the opposite effect. This is how I use pulsed LED light therapy to keep my 42-year-old face looking its best in combination with my other home treatments and products. Now, obviously, this isn't an overnight solution, and it does take a good 6 weeks before you'll start to notice any real results. But with consistent and regular use, you'll be glowing from within in no time at all. So if you want to get your hands on your very own state-of-the-art LED light panel from Maysama, links are provided in the description box down below. I'll also add a coupon code into the description box, which is going to let you enjoy more for less when you make a purchase using it. Thank you so much for joining me for this one today. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Stay beautiful, and until next time, TJ over and out.